Are you planning to buy your new home in the vibrant streets in the south of Houston area, which is best known as Soho? Let's dive into what makes Soho an unparalleled place to live, with up-to-date information from 2024 to help you make an informed decision. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Peter McLean, and finding your home is my mission. Well, you're in for an exciting journey. Soho, with its rich history, iconic architecture and bustling streets, offers a unique blend of the old and the new, making it one of the most sought-after neighborhoods in New York City. Navigating the real estate market in Soho. As of February 2024, Soho remains a buyer's market, with housing prices showing a nuanced landscape. The median sold price for homes in Soho was $4,232,500, marking a 9.9% increase from the previous year. This indicates a competitive yet accessible market for potential buyers. Whether you're drawn to a modern high-rise apartment or a historic brownstone, Soho offers a diverse range of properties to suit various tastes and investment strategies. It's essential to explore different areas within Soho to find the best one that matches your lifestyle and preferences. So if you're living in Soho, here's what to expect. Moving to Soho means immersing yourself in a neighborhood that's alive with energy and creativity. The cost of living here is notably higher than many other parts of the city, with the average rent for a one-bedroom apartment around $3,500 a month, and the median home price just under $4.25 million as of early 2024. That's $4,250,000. Ouch. Despite these figures, the allure of Soho's lifestyle is undeniable. The neighborhood boasts a rich tapestry of dining, shopping, and cultural experiences. From the latest art exhibit at a local gallery to a spontaneous street performance, Soho is a place where the unexpected becomes the norm. The area's connectivity is also a significant plus, with multiple subway lines offering easy access to the rest of the city. Let me tell you another fun fact about this neighborhood. Soho is truly a cultural melting pot. Soho's vibrant cultural scene is a reflection of its diverse population. Historically, the neighborhood has been a melting pot of cultures, and this diversity is mirrored in the variety of restaurants, shops, and cultural institutions that line its streets. From authentic Italian eateries in Little Italy to contemporary art galleries, showcasing works from around the globe. This blend of cultures and histories makes Soho a dynamic and exciting place to explore, offering something new and unexpected at every turn. Bonus tip: the ultimate Soho experience. And now for a bonus tip that makes watching this guide till the end worth it. The unparalleled rooftop views. Imagine ending your day on a rooftop overlooking the Manhattan skyline with the Empire State Building and the Freedom Tower in sight. Soho's unique position and its historic buildings offer some of the most breathtaking rooftop views in New York City, making it not just a place to live, but a place to thrive and create lasting memories. This is the ultimate gift of living in Soho, a daily reminder of the dynamic beauty of New York City, right from your doorstep. Moving to Soho NYC is more than just a change of address. It's a leap into a lifestyle that's rich in history, culture, and modern luxuries. With its unique blend of the old and the new, Soho offers an enriching living experience that's hard to find anywhere else. Whether you're drawn to its artistic heritage or the vibrant community or the luxury real estate market, Soho welcomes you to be a part of its ever-evolving story. Welcome to Soho, where your New York City dream becomes a reality. If you like this video and would like to see more content, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, my name is Peter McLean, and I'm a real estate agent with Corcoran here in New York City. Contact me if I can be of service to you. My contact info is in the description box below. If you want to receive epic topics about the city of New York, make sure to subscribe and follow me here and on all my other socials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And remember, your home is my mission.